Paano mo nga ba masasabi kung ready ka nang magpakasal? Getting married is one of the biggest decisions of your life. Kaya dapat sigurado ka, hindi lang sa partner mo, kundi sa sarili mo. Here are 6 signs na ready ka na talaga. Number 1, it's your decision. Ikaw mismo ang may gustong magpakasal. Not your parents, not your relatives, not your boss, not your friends. Hindi dahil na-pressure ka lang sa tanong na, kailan ka ba ikakasal? Deep down, sigurado ka sa puso mo, this is what you want. Number 2, you're financially independent. Ikaw at ang partner mo, kaya ninyong bayaran ang wedding expenses ninyo. Hindi nyo kailangang umasa sa parents or siblings ninyo. And more importantly, kaya ninyong buuin ang sarili ninyong pamilya without becoming a financial burden to anyone. Number 3, you're ready emotionally and mentally. Kayong dalawa ng partner mo ay marunong magdesisyon ng hindi na kailangan ng approval mula sa parents ninyo. You know how to set healthy boundaries at kaya ninyong harapin ang challenges bilang mag-asawa. Yung hindi nyo kailangang tumakbo o humingi ng approval sa magulang ninyo every time na may major life decisions kayo. Number 4, align ang future plans ninyo. Nakikita nyo ang isa't isa sa mga plano ninyo sa buhay. For example, kung ang partner mo ay hindi niya kayang mag-long distance relationship or LDR, pero ikaw may bala ka palang mag-abroad, yun pa lang, alam niyong magiging mahirap na i-work out ang marriage. But if your visions for the future are aligned, that's a good sign. Number 5, you accept that marriage is a lifetime commitment. This isn't a happy ending. Hindi siya happy ending ng fairy tale. It's a beginning, a journey you'll share for life. For better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health. Marriage means loving each other even on the hardest days. Marriage will not solve all your current relationship problems. Pero with the right person, you can grow together sa marriage ninyo. Kung handa ka to show up and commit for your love every single day, then you're ready. And number 6, most of all, you feel happy about getting married. Despite the stress of wedding planning, you feel excited. You look forward to spending the rest of your life with this person. And deep in your heart, you know, it's not perfect, but it makes you feel safe. This is the love you've been waiting for. Kung nakaka-relate ka sa lahat ng to, congratulations, you're ready for this new chapter. Remember, sis, marriage isn't perfect, but when it's with the right person, it's always worth it.